There's been growing evidence that the LG G7 won't land at MWC 2018 in late February, and now there's apparently confirmation of this. The confirmation comes in the form of a quote given to tech advisor from a spokesperson at LG, who told the site we are not holding a press conference at MWC this year. That tallies with an earlier Gilbert report claiming that Sai Kim, managing director for LG Electronics South Africa, said an upgraded version of the LG V30 would arrive at MWC, while hinting that the LG G7 will be a little bit late. This also follows recent reports that LG had gone back to the drawing board with the G7, so a delay doesn't come as much of a surprise. The latest information doesn't include word of what the LG G7 release date might be, but we've previously heard it could be announced in March and go on sale in April. If it really is being redesigned, then we don't have much idea of what to expect from it, but hopefully at the very least it will have a cutting-edge chipset, something which the LG G6 lacked. We've contacted LG for comment on the reported delay, and will update the story if we hear back.